Hey, Agripreneurs, welcome to Panuka Farm and Panuka AgriBiz Hub. This is yours truly one, Mr. Panuka. Always a pleasure to welcome you to our theater of dreams right here at Panuka Farm. This is from our sweet pepper forest. Guess it's been a while since we actually showcased some of the stuff that we do here at Panuka Farm number one. But just to thank all of you for being with us in 2025. And we keep evolving on the Panuka AgriBiz Hub to just make sure that issues around data, knowledge for agripreneurs, especially those that are in primary production, is actually improved. And that's the whole essence of the Panuka AgriBiz Hub. Given that knowledge and data gaps are actually growth gaps for agriculture SMEs. So that's something that we keep evolving, especially with our digital platform. But like we indicated, what we offer is something that actually caters even for non-digitized farmers. Guess you actually saw that recently. We had the boot camp for about 100 farmers from different districts of Zambia. But then if you're digitized and you're actually looking at bridging your data gaps around financial production data and of course knowledge, then you need to actually onboard on our platform. And come January, we'll actually advertise for the formal quarterly boot camps. And these boot camps will actually be quite rich, given that this will be a 3 months program where you actually start with a 2 days boot camp looking at farming as a business. But then we also onboard you into our digital platform that will allow you to track your financials, use our accounting system, our production tracker, and of course you can also find talent on that platform. And there'll be quite a number of goodies that actually we keep developing. This will be an integrated platform that allows you to learn using one subscription. And by the way, the initial subscription, the lower end, which is the growth, subscription, is just about 300, kwacha, somewhere thereabout, equivalent to about $13, dollars. And what that unlocks is that you have access to the courses on our platform. But beyond the courses, you also have access to the different digital tools. And we'll actually be unveiling what we are calling the Agri-Venture profile, which has an enabled bankability readiness scorecard, really helping you to corporatize your enterprise, check how well corporatized you are. And as you fill in that, this is your digital platform that allows you to check how well you are actually corporatized. So this is a very, very critical tool that we're actually bringing, the first of its kind in this space of agribusiness, so that access to finance and access to markets is something that you begin to work on as a business, as opposed to knee-jerk reaction. When you actually see a potential application, that's when you're running around. But basically, we have created what we are calling a virtual data room for you, where you actually fill in about 10 sections, and every time there's a change of fundamentals, be it your financials, your management structures, you actually go to your dashboard, update this, and your scores will actually change. And what we're hoping is that along the way, this is the virtual data room that will also be availed to potential funders, potential partners, to try and see what kind of technical assistance they can actually offer you as an agripreneur. So guess that is quite exciting for you. And for us here at Panuka AgriBiz Hub, we're extremely excited to bring to the fore this digital platform to make sure that you have literally almost everything in one unified platform. You can learn. You have an accounting system, you have a production tracking. You can also find interns, you can find staff on one platform. But then it also offers you to have this virtual data room, which literally shortens the due diligence by potential funders and other different partners that would want to do business with you as an agripreneur. So I'm quite extremely excited to be bringing this, updated Panuka AgriBiz Hub that we've actually been working on. And thanks to about 20 agri-SMEs that have been journeying with us in providing input, feedback, and we keep evolving. And come January 2026, we should be unveiling some of these changes that we've actually made to enhance your user experience as an agri-SME on the Panuka AgriBiz Hub. All right, guys, so I hope you're as excited as me and from the rest of the Panuka AgriBiz team. Have a lovely one, and I hope to give you further updates as we actually move towards unveiling this updated Panuka AgriBiz Hub.